Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be that mom life makeup tutorial for people like me who don't have enough time because you got an infant who needs all your time. So if you want to see this video, keep on watching, and of course make sure you subscribe. It's free, why not? And plus you get to see all the videos that I post. So I'm gonna start off with an e.l.f. eyebrow pencil and fill in my brows. Excuse my brows, I need to get them done. Just haven't had time, if you know what I mean. Mom life. But I'm gonna fill them in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use some concealer from LA Girl Pro. And I'm gonna use the color Warm Sand to kind of like outline and clean it up. Something real quick, nothing too dramatic, just whatever I can do. Gonna go ahead and use that underneath my eyes as well as an under eye concealer. And then I'm gonna take a little brush and kind of shape in my brows and kind of like feather out that concealer so it's not so harsh when I blend it out. Again, I know I need to get my brows done, but a girl just gotta do what she gotta do. Okay. Take this concealer from BH Cosmetics and use this as like a contour type of concealer, just to get some coloration to my face so that less work for when I actually do have to put on foundation. And yeah, I put that in areas that you normally would apply like a bronzer, whatever. I know it's a little blurry, but I'm using the Revlon concealer, and I think number 3, I'm not sure, but I'm putting that's a yellow tone underneath my eyes, and I'm gonna use some foundation, the L'Oreal Lumi, something a little bit dewy, because matte is just not working for my skin. It just makes me look cakey. I don't use too much. That's the only amount that I use for my entire face, because I've already used concealer around the edges and wherever it needed to be for the extra coverage. Just gonna take it, plop it on, blend it all out, and that's pretty much it. At first I didn't like this foundation a long time ago because it was a little bit too dewy and I always looked at really oily, but after pregnancy my skin really takes well to dewy and natural kind of foundation, so this one might be my signature foundation for now. I'm using my all-time favorite Airspun powder, and if you hear my baby in the background, I'm sorry. But I'm using Honey Beige, and I'm just setting like the concealer parts, just the inner parts of my face to brighten, because it is kind of a light powder. So I'm using that over my eyes, wherever I need to set the concealer or the inner part of my face. It's my all-time favorite L'Oreal True Match powder in N6 to set the rest of my face and blend everything in. I kind of put it in the center as well where I put the Airspun, but it helps everything blend in into one. I take this Sun Tone bronzer from Coastal Scents. This one is almost done. I'm trying to really empty out all these products so that I can have an empty soon. But I use this all over the face, kind of like a blush, bronzer, whatever I need to be to add some color to my face, because I'm not going to use any blush today or any like other type of bronzers or contour or anything. It also has a highlighting effect too, so it's kind of like a 3-in-1, blush, bronzer, highlight. But I'm gonna highlight anyway. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Duo highlighter, and I'm gonna mix both that bronzing kind of highlighter and that shimmery champagne color, and I'm going to highlight in areas that I normally would highlight. haven't used this in a while, so thought I'd give it some love. Then I'm gonna take this Profusion palette from Target. I usually use the Charming color and put that in my crease all over the lid as an all over color. It helps bring some color back to my eyelid and kind of give some kind of definition as well. And I'm gonna take the color Pixie that I like as well. It's like a pink iridescent. I use that as a brow highlight and an inner corner highlight. I love these two colors together. I use them so much. I'm gonna go ahead and set my brows with some brow gel. I think this was Essence. I got it from Ulta. It was like under $5. Didn't cost that much. I'm gonna use some mascara, the Maybelline Falsies, and put this on my little peasy eyelashes because it needs some love as well. That was pretty much it for everything. I went ahead and set my face with some setting spray to lock it all in, make everything nice and smooth out. And this one is the Rimmel Stay Matte. Baby started crying, so you gotta tend to him and make sure he's good. But I didn't use any lip products. I just used Vaseline because I love to kiss on my baby, give him nice and lovable kisses all day. So I just used that to keep my lips moisturized, and that's pretty much it. That's it. Alright, that's it for the video. Make sure you subscribe and definitely comment down below in the description box down there. And I'll see you in my next video, which is next Monday. I'll try to put another video up a little later in the week, but I definitely film every Monday. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.